Hello students, today we are going to explain MCQ type questions which are important for upcoming RGPU exam. So first question, Fourier series is applicable only to blank signal. Right answer is periodic. Next, Fourier transform may be applied to blank as well as blank signal. Right answer is 2, aperiodic and periodic. Fourier transform used for both periodic and non-periodic signals. Next, spectrum of Fourier series is blank in nature. Right answer is discrete in nature. Next, the spectrum of Fourier transform is in nature. Fourth, right answer is continuous in nature. Next, normally continuous time Fourier transform is known as. Right answer is fifth. Right answer is Fourier transform. Next, absolute convergence condition is a blank condition for the existence of Fourier transform. Right answer is sufficient. Next, 7. Blank is known as frequency response of system. Right answer is h of omega. Next, the amplitude spectrum and phase spectrum together are known as blank spectrum. Right answer is frequency spectrum. Next, the condition for the existence of Fourier transform are known as blank condition. Right answer is declared condition. Next, the Fourier transform of signal which do not satisfy the condition of absolute convergence content. Right answer is impulses. Next, Fourier transform of periodic signal may be found using the concept of blank function. Right answer is impulse function. Next, the Fourier transform of periodic function consists of a blank of equally spaced impulse. Right answer is train. Next, the impulses in the Fourier transform of periodic signal are located at blank frequency of signal. Right answer is harmonic. Next, Fourier transform and Laplace transform have a relation. Right answer is imaginary relation. Next, the Fourier transform and inverse Fourier transform have blank relation. Right answer is one-to-one relation. Next, the Hilbert transform x cap t of xt will be. Right answer is xt convolution 1 by pi t. Next, Hilbert transform does not change blank of signal. Right answer is domain. Next, basically Hilbert transform operation is blank operation. Right answer is linear operation. Next, the function xt and x cap t constitute a pair. Right answer is Hilbert transform. Next, Hilbert transform does not alter the blank spectrum of the signal. Right answer is amplitude spectrum of the signal. Next question. Fourier transform is applicable to. Right answer is C. Both periodic and non-periodic signal. Next. In the frequency spectrum of an aperiodic signal, the spacing among the component will be. Right answer is D. 0. Next. A periodic signal become an aperiodic signal if its time period approaches. Right answer is B. Infinity. Next. If the frequency spectrum of function is discrete, then the function will be. Right answer is C. Periodic. Next, the frequency spectrum indicate. Right answer is B. The relative magnitude of each frequency component. Next, the Fourier transform of unit impulse function del t will be. Right answer is 6b. 1. 7. The Fourier transform of del t minus t naught will be. This is shifted impulse function. Right answer is 7b. E की power minus j omega naught t. Next, the Fourier transform of unit step function will be. Right answer is A. Pi del omega plus 1 upon j omega. Very most important question. Next, the Fourier transform of e minus a t u of t will be. Right answer is 9c. 1 upon a plus j omega. Next, the Fourier transform of e की power minus a mod t will be. Right answer is D. 2a upon a square plus omega square. Next, the Fourier transform of DC signal xt equal to a will be. Right answer is C. A 2 pi del omega. Next question, the integral of x of omega del omega equal to. Right answer is A. X of 0. Next, the integral of x of omega del omega minus omega naught equal to. Right answer is B. X omega naught. Next, the Fourier transform of signum function will be. Right answer is D. 2 upon j omega. Next, the area under the Fourier transform, that is x of integral of x of omega. Right answer is A. X of 0. Next, the Fourier transform of rectangular t upon tau will be. Right answer is B. Tau sine omega tau divided by 2. Next, the Fourier transform of rectangular function, rectangular pulse del t divided by tau will be, right answer is A, tau divided by 2 sin square omega t omega tau divided by 4. Next, the spectrum of Gaussian signal will be, right answer A, Gaussian function. The spectrum of Gaussian signal will be, right answer A, Gaussian function. Next, the Fourier transform of x1 of t convolution x2 t will be 19, right answer is the x1 omega into x2 omega. The Fourier transform of x1 of t into x2 of t will be, the right answer is B, 1 upon 2 pi x1 of omega convolution x2 of omega. Next, the spectrum of triangular pulse will be, right answer is C, sin square function. Next, spectrum of rectangular pulse will be, right answer is B, sinc function. The Fourier transform of xt cos omega ct will be, right answer A, 1 upon 2 bracket x omega minus omega c plus x omega plus omega c. Next, the Fourier transform of integral x tau d tau will be, right answer A, 1 upon j omega x of j omega. The signum function xt can be written as follow, right answer B, 2 ut minus 1, where ut is unit step function. Next, the area under the function xt equal to right answer is C, 1 upon 2 pi x of 0. Next, the Fourier transform of xt sin omega sin omega ct will be, right answer is D, 1 upon 2j x omega minus omega c minus x omega plus omega c. Next, the sinc function xt is defined as, right answer is A, sinc 5t upon 5t. Thanks for watching.